So I'd be suggesting if you got a puncture in a tyre, you're near a tyre service or something, you'd be best off take it in, get them to pop it off the rim and put a patch on the inside. But if you're up the bush or something and you haven't got access to that, I think one of these kits with the like a round file and this tong thing to shove the these sticks of goo in, that's probably going to be a good option. Have that in your toolkit just in case you pop a tyre. Probably the hardest bit would be actually locating where your hole is. I've got a couple of tyres here where I found the hole. So this one has got a screw in it. So I'm just going to get the screw out of the drill. Get one of these bits of sticky stuff that's your plug. You want to feed that into the eye of this needle thing. Wiggle it in there, get it about halfway. You got that ready. Now you want to take this round file looking, nasty looking thing and abrade the hole. So when you do that, it's going to get a lot worse before it gets better, but that's alright. So now we got the wind hammering out there. Get this tube of rubber cement it'll come supplied with. Get a bit of that on your plug. And then you just want to shove that in the hole. So that'll just pull out. Just leave you with the plug in the hole. Then you just use your side cutters. Trim off the dags if you please, otherwise they'll probably wear off on the road anyway. Then you can just feed a bit of wind back into it from your air machine.